How to get PUK code without calling customer service. So all that you have to do is simply come and then dial star and then come and press on the 1 and then come and press on the 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, then come and then press on the hashtag OK. So after pressing on it, all that you have to do is simply come and then select where you have your slot. Mine is on slot 1 and then come and then press on it. So over here, what you have to do is to simply come and then select the option 1 by simply putting 1 here and then come here where we have the send and then come and press on the send. Okay, after that, all that you have to do is to simply come and then put in your PIN code, okay, the one that you created during the time that you registered. So if you haven't registered, I'm having a full video showing how to register. Watch it and then register and then create your PIN and then come and put it right here and come and press on the send. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and select option 4, which is the PUK. Okay, so come and put 4 here and then simply come and then press on the send. Okay, so after pressing on the send, what you have to do is to simply come and then select for self by simply selecting option 1 and then come and press on the send. Okay, so the next thing is to simply come and then confirm by selecting option 1, which is the confirm. After that, simply come and then press on the send. Okay, so you are going to get this message saying that they are going to send your PUK code to you through SMS within no time. Okay, so simply wait, relax, and then they are going to send it to you. But if you didn't get the code when I was typing it in, the code is *1333#. Okay, so that is the code. Okay, so this is the code to check your PUK without calling customer service. Like the video and then see you in my next video.